Dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss on relation among CP, SP and R. The relation among CP, SP and R is SP equals CP times of 1 plus R when R is the rate of profit. Again, SP equals CP into 1 minus R when R is the rate of loss. That means when R will be denoted by the rate of profit, then we'll use the plus sign, and when R will denoted by the rate of loss, then we'll use the minus sign. Here SP is the selling price and CP is the cost price. Example 1. A watch is bought at 5,500 taka and sold at 9% profit. What is the selling price of it? Here, given that the cost price is CP equals 5,500 taka and the rate of profit is R equals 9% equals 9 by 100 taka. Here we have to determine the selling price. So we consider here, let the selling price be SP. Again, we know the relation among CP, SP and R is SP equals CP times of 1 plus R. Since here R is the rate of profit, so we put here plus sign. And putting the values of CP and R, here we get 5,500 times of 1 plus 9 by 100 equals 5,500 into 109 by 100. Adding 1 with 9 by 100, we get 109 by 100. Now doing calculation, we find 5,995 taka. So the selling price of the watch is 5,995 taka. In the second example, a watch is sold at 5,995 taka at 9% profit. What is the cost price of it? Here, given that the selling price of SP equals 5,995 taka and the rate of profit is R equals 9%, that means 9 by 100, and we have to determine the cost price, so we consider the cost price be as CP, and the relation among those three terms is SP equals CP times of 1 plus R. Again, by the law of symmetricity, we can write CP times of 1 plus R equals SP. That means we make the right side as a left side and left side as the right side. Then CP equals SP divided by 1 plus R. By the law of equation, here 1 plus R was multiplied by the CP. So if we change the size side of it, then it will be the division form. So I put it below the SP. So CP equals, in place of SP we write here 5,995. In place of R, I put here 9 by 100. Then doing calculation, that means adding 1 with 9 by 100, we get 109 by 100. And since it's a complex fractions, so the above fractions or above number 5,995 will be put without any kind of change, and the lower fraction will be changed. That means the numerator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Here the denominator is 100, so it will be the numerator, and numerator 109 will be the denominator. So we get CP equals 5995 into 100 divided by 109, and then doing calculation we get CP equals 5500. So the cost price of the watch is 5500 taka. In the next example, a watch is bought at 5500 taka and sold at 5995 taka. What is the percentage profit or loss? So first of all, I write here the given information. Given information is here the cost price is 5500 taka and selling price is 5995 taka. We have to find out the percentage profit, that means rate of profit or loss. Here the rate of profit BR, because here the selling price is more than the amount of cost price, that is why we'll get the profit. Since we'll get the profit, so we have to consider here the rate of profit. So here the rate of profit BR, and the relation among the CP and SP and R is SP is equal to CP times of 1 plus R, and since we have to find out the value of R, so by the law of symmetricity I bring CP times of 1 plus R on the left side from the right side, and SP from the left side to right side. Then it becomes CP equals CP times of 1 plus R is equal to SP. Now I change the side of CP. That means I bring CP from the left to right, so it becomes the divisional form, and I get here 1 plus R is equal to SP divided by CP. And now putting then 1 plus R, again 1, I bring 1 from left side to right side, then it will be the minus, and putting the value of SP and CP we get R equals 5995, and in place of CP I put here 5500, and in place of minus 1 I put here minus 1. Now doing a calculation, I get here the R equals 9%. So the percentage of profit is 9%. Dear audience, I hope that you could understand the today's lesson, but for doing more practice I have provided you some problems as assessment. I hope that you will do those, you will solve those problems yourself, and I hope that you will be the expert if you're doing those problems, or if you solve those problems yourself. And again I will come along with a new video tutorial. Till then, goodbye.